Good day, YouTube friends. And today is our time to harvest this baby carrots. Yeah, here the name baby carrots. And because I was not able to really take care of this um, carefully, so much more we will be getting small or tiny baby carrots here. So let's start harvesting here, YouTube friends. Ah, it's baby carrots. But I never thought that we will have this long.
Yeah, it's like in Tesco. It's long and thin.
Yeah, this one. These
That's the
are
baby.
organic baby carrots. Yeah, big like that in the picture. But I never thought that this can be long. I was thinking that they are really small and... Oh, really? Oh, now we can grow carrots, huh? They're just baby carrots. And one thing here, YouTube friends, why they're quite small in terms of the circumference, because too crowded,
Yeah.
and I was not able to thin them when they're still small. But anyway, nothing will be thrown into the trash, but all these will be eaten. The chickens will be enjoying the leaves. This will be their good snacks. I think we only need to harvest
Yeah.
a few. We will
Yeah.
not.
Don't harvest it all.
We don't have to harvest everything. These are baby carrots. So we've got these cute carrots here, YouTube friends. And thank you for watching. I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.